traffic experts say, polishing a Cybertruck might not be the safest idea, and it's illegal. A Tesla Cybertruck owner went viral for polishing his vehicle to have a mirror-like finish. Experts raised concerns that the car could be a road safety hazard if the truck's exterior reflected headlights back at drivers, and if the vehicle blends in with its environment on the road as well as it appears. Reflective glare may pose the same problem for other drivers as headlight glare. There are two possible mechanisms that could make a reflective Cybertruck a road risk. The first regarded concerns raised online. It's certainly possible that reflected glare from the vehicle can temporarily blind other drivers. Cybertruck's shape causes sunlight to reflect onto the ground rather than towards other drivers. A polished Cybertruck may attract some legal burdens even if there are no laws regarding customizing a vehicle's exterior color. Having a car with an outlandish color attracts the attention of everyone.